Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Food Diet, the program behind Adele's staggering weight loss. When pop singer Adele lost a truckload of weight, the world waited with bated breath to hear which diet or weight loss program helped her shred the kilos. In this instance, the Food Diet claimed the honors. And why wouldn't we be interested in a diet that lets you eat chocolate and drink wine and eat spicy food? No wonder it works, right? But what is the Food Diet? Is there any evidence to support its use? And will you look as good as Adele after following it? Here's what you need to know. What is the Food Diet? Developers of the Food plan claim that there are certain molecules in foods that activate proteins in the body called sirtuins. They say sirtuins are involved in a number of metabolic processes in the body, and consuming foods that contain these molecules increases the body's ability to burn fat. So, the food facts are: while research is in its early stages and has mostly been completed in animal models, it does appear that exercise and calorie restriction helps to activate sirtuins, though a specific link between this and fat loss, or specifically burning more fat in place of carbohydrates, has not been proven. Despite the lack of scientific evidence to support the Food Diet as a model, the diet focuses on phases of extreme calorie restriction as well as eating loads of foods thought to contain this sirtuin activating compounds such as antioxidant rich citrus, berries, cocoa, kale, and red wine. How does it work? The Food Diet prescribes two dietary phases. The first is a low calorie approach, just around 1000 calories a day, designed to activate the sirtuin proteins. This phase lasts for 3 days before calories are increased to 1500 per day with a diet packed full of foods. Juices are favored on low calorie days with 2 green juices per day made using foods such as kale, celery, and parsley, along with one food rich meal. This is increased to 2 food rich meals and 1 green juice a day during in the 1500 calorie window. It's claimed that dieters will lose up to 5 kilos during this phase. Once weight loss is achieved, dieters are encouraged to follow a 14-day maintenance phase in which 1 green juice and 3 food rich meals are consumed. It's claimed that this eating pattern will result in sustainable weight loss over time. What foods can I eat on the Food Diet? The following foods are thought to contain sirtuin activating compounds, that is, red wine, blueberries, dark chocolate, 85% of cocoa, citrus fruit, green tea, soy, extra virgin olive oil, rocket, kale, parsley, turmeric, walnuts, red onion, capers, medjool dates, buckwheat, coffee, strawberries, bird's eye chili, and radicchio. A dietitian's verdict on the Food Diet. At a glance, the Food Diet seems reasonable, right? You eat more fresh food and eat a low calorie eating plan for a few days at a time. Indeed, consuming as few as 1000 calories a day will result in relatively quick weight loss as the body's glycogen stores are depleted along with the extra fluid they hold. And long term, a 1500 calorie plan is associated with sustainable achievable weight loss. The most important thing to remember before embracing the diet is that there is no evidence to show that such extreme weight loss is actually because of these foods. More likely, it's explained by the severe caloric restriction cycle with regular eating as well as the inclusion of foods that bring pleasure like red wine and chocolate, which tend to make diets easier to follow long term. Ultimately, any diet that includes calorie restriction will work if adhered to, but the chance you can achieve a 30-40 plus kilo weight loss without the support of intense regular workouts, tight calorie control, and even medical intervention is slim to none. That is, it is difficult to achieve that target. Much more likely is it that Adelie's vast resources and support network have facilitated her dramatic weight loss. And while cert foods may have been a part of it, it's unlikely they alone are responsible for such significant weight loss.
Thank you guys. If you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for important notification.